Hey guys, are you tired of spending hours writing YouTube tags, titles, and descriptions? Today I am going to show you a simple trick using ChatGPT and your video's transcript to automate the entire process in minutes. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to YouTube Studio, and then from YouTube Studio, let's go to content. So either you have video which is already uploaded to video section, or if you are doing a live stream, then your video might be available under live stream tab. Quickly navigate to the video where for which you want to generate the title, tag, and description. Here, click on view on YouTube. This will open the video, and if you come down here, you will see transcript just below the YouTube player. Here we can click on show transcript. On the right hand side top, we'll be able to see the entire transcript. So what we'll do over here is we'll quickly come to copy transcript tab, and here you will see two options. One is copy transcript, the other one is copy transcript with timestamps. So we'll click on that, and then we'll open ChatGPT. Now paste the transcript copied from YouTube in the chat section. Then use this prompt. Please provide title for YouTube video based on the transcript. With this prompt, the ChatGPT will provide few title options. Now, if the basic titles are too generic, we need to step it up. This is where we bring in our advanced prompt to get better options. Please provide title for YouTube video based on transcript, which is optimized for high CTR and reach with searchable SEO. We want this title optimized for high CTR, which is click-through rate. A high CTR ensures your title grabs attention and gets clicks, while good SEO ensures search engines can easily find and rank your video. This entire thing helps to boost your visibility and searchability in several ways. Another important thing is, in this prompt, we are asking to provide the title with the length of 60 to 70 words maximum. This ensures your headline fully displays in search results as well as mobile feeds. The next use case is about getting YouTube description with the help of transcript, and we'll follow the same set of practices. Only the change is the prompt. So let's get started. Now we use a basic prompt like please provide a YouTube description based on the transcript. With this, the ChatGPT has provided us with the basic YouTube description, which contains some overview about the video and few bullet points. It has also included few hashtags. But let's take a step further with an advanced prompt. Please provide YouTube description based on the transcript available. Only this time, please make YouTube description rich with SEO-friendly keywords and helps with high CTR. Also, add emojis and bullet points. Now, just look at the difference. It's highly readable, visually appealing, and optimized for search. When comparing the results of basic prompt against advanced prompt, it provides clear instructions to the AI engine. As a result, the advanced prompt produces a much more polished and professional description that not only explains the video better, but also improves visibility, clickability, and overall audience engagement. This demonstrates an important concept in AI prompting. The quality of output depends heavily on the clarity, structure, and intent provided within the prompt itself. Now let us move on to our third use case, with the help of which we will try to generate YouTube tags. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll simply mention please provide tags for YouTube video based on the YouTube transcript. As an output, it has provided us with different set of tags but all of these are arranged like an essay. These are very difficult to read or analyze. To arrange it properly, for which we'll use the prompt, please arrange the tags in a single column format. The ChatGPT will arrange all the tags in a single line, and now it has become much readable and will be able to analyze which we would like to use. To maximize our reach, we want a mix of broad and specific keywords. To do so, we'll use more advanced prompt. Provide YouTube tags of different sizes. 15 long tail tags, 8 to 10 medium and short tags. As you can see on the screen, ChatGPT has broken down the tags perfectly into three distinct categories. First, we have long tail tags. These capture highly specific search queries, which tend to have lower competition but higher conversion. They help your videos rank in niche searches and attract viewers who are already interested in your exact topic. While medium and short tags broadens the reach by targeting more general keywords. While competition here is higher, they increase the visibility in trending or popular searches. This balance avoids the common pitfall of relying too heavily on either broad or narrow keywords. It also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content is relevant across multiple levels of search intent, boosting both search rankings and suggested video placements. And just like that, by combining your transcript with these advanced prompts, you can fully optimize your YouTube videos in a fraction of time. If you found this time saving tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comment section which prompt you found the most useful. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.